Menstrual cups are a safe alternative to toxic tampons or bulky pads. The Flotus Cup is a medical-grade silicone cup shaped perfectly to lock in blood during menstruation. I'll teach you how to sanitize your cup properly before use. First, bring a pot of water to a boil. Once boiling, remove the pot from the heat. Now, for the next 10 minutes, submerge your Flotus Cup completely in the hot water, stem included. Next, drain the water and remove your Flotus Cup from the pot with clean hands. Allow your Flotus Cup to air dry on a clean cloth, rim down. Once dry, you're ready to insert your Flotus Cup. The stem should be even with the vaginal opening. Use your Yummy Yoni Oil, a natural vaginal lube, for easier insertion if you experience dryness. The best time to insert your cup is during a shower. Repeat these steps before each use. You can wear your Flotus Cup, depending on your flow, for up to 12 hours. Remember, once properly inserted, you shouldn't feel your Flotus Cup at all. Make the switch now to Flotus Cups. Learn more about this product in the description below. I hope this video was helpful for you. If so, like and subscribe.